Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with a new video, and in today's video we will be doing these mini twists, and I'm working with Eayon Hair. Big thank you to Eayon Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this hair. This is their double drawn Burmese hair. This is curly, tight curly, 20-inch bulk hair. Double drawn is the fullest bulk hair that you can buy, and I highly recommend, because after working with double drawn hair, anything else is a waste of time. So for this hairstyle, I just twisted this hair into my hair. I have done something similar, but the hair was of a different texture and it was a different length. So I really like this because this was 20 inches. I like my inches, y'all. So these new styles, these short styles, this is different for me. But I am loving this texture in combination with this length. So this is a very tight, pretty curl. This hair has been trending as of recently, even for like sew-ins and quick weaves, and you're gonna see why. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. So for my hair, I parted it. I tried not to do super defined parts because in my last mini twist video, my parts were very precise, and I actually prefer the half moon parts where it just falls a lot better. So here I tried to do irregular parts, and I started off by braiding the hair onto my natural hair, and then I scooped the hair up, and then I start to twist everything together. I am using a little bit of product on my finger, which I will show you in a little while, because I do like to use a little bit of product to help keep my twist together and to help tuck my natural hair in so that it doesn't pop out, because that's not a good look. And I twist this all the way to the very end, and I am loving the way this looks. It's so different for me, but this is growing on me. I think because of the little extra length, I'm feeling it. Next, I really want to try some like long twists, maybe like a passion twist, but I want to try something longer because I like this. Like, I could get with this. So as you can see, I'm taking a decent amount of hair, and because I want to keep the length on this bulk hair, I didn't fold it in the half. I took the two pieces and kind of put them together and folded maybe about an inch into it, if that. But I really wanted to keep the length, and I'm not mad about it. If you're familiar with the channel, you know that I've been working with Eayon Hair for a while now, and they have such a variety of different products. They don't, not just even bulk hair, they literally have it all. Bundles, crochet. So I'm going to have all the links down in the description box in case you are interested, because they got it all, okay? But I'm really feeling this hair. So another thing, you get so much hair in these packs. I have 3 20-inch bundles, but once you unravel the bundle, it's like you get 2 in 1. So I believe these are 100 grams per bundle. I used about 2.5 because I did use large pieces of hair to complete this look. So I used about 2.5 bundles, but I'm very satisfied with the way it came out. I think it's so cute. So I'm going to finish up this part of the hair. I did part my hair as I go. I know for a lot of these styles, a lot of people pre-section, but I just do whatever works and whatever's going to get me done sooner. So I parted as I went. So I'm going to finish off this section here, and then I will come back when we jump a little further ahead in the video. Okay, so we making progress. We have completed almost one side. This is what it looks like. I love this hair. It's the combination of the texture and that length. I'm telling you, this hair falls different. I feel like it flows a little more. It's really, really pretty. So here I've moved on to the other side of my head, and I'm just going to repeat the same process. I'm taking those two pieces of hair and folding it at the top and braiding it into my hair before I start the actual twist. So braiding it in is just what's keeping my mini twist secure. And then once I braid down far enough, I just start to twist the hair, and I am making sure to put a little bit of product on my finger in between just to keep the twist together. I do have certain clips where you see me clipping the flyaways because of where I bent the bulk hair. I did have a few flyaways, but I was able to just snip that. And I can definitely tell the difference between that hair and my hair. So I wasn't out here snipping my hair. I was snipping the flyaways from the bulk hair. But we're just moving along in the video, and I'm really, really feeling this. Y'all, I have a look coming up where I'm going to do, I can't decide if I want to do a sew-in or a quick weave. I really don't like quick weaves. I just don't like to put glue on the tracks like that, but it's with this texture hair, and I'm so excited because this is so pretty. Now we are finishing up. This didn't take very long either. Let me put that in because I've had a few questions with like my braid tutorials. People want to know how long it took. So for this, as I came on the camera, you saw I had the back nape area done, and I did that the night before, and that took me about maybe 2 hours, maybe 3. And then the next day I finished up the front, and that took like another 3. So I'm going to say like a total of 6 hours. That's not bad for me. Like compared to how long the boho braids take, I will do mini twists any day. Okay? But all the links will be down in the description box. Shout out to y'all if you made it this far into the video. Please like this video. You don't have to leave a comment, but liking the video helps me so much. Shout out to Eayon Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I put that on my good, I look fly, I look good.